So we're going to talk about how to make a Google document. And one of the first things you need to do is just get to Google. So you can do that by going into your Gmail account, or you can just go to google.com. You'll see in Google I have to sign in. You might be signed in under another account. Make sure you're signing in under your school account. Okay, there's my school account. I'm going to sign in with my correct password. Your school password should be the one that starts with TAS and then has 4 numbers and an asterisk. So let me sign into my account. Okay. Once I'm here, I'm going to click on this grid. Okay? And from this grid, I'm going to go to my drive. Now, in my drive, I'm going to click on this plus new in the right side column. And I'm going to go down to Google Docs. I'm going to click on that. Now I have a new Google Doc. From the Align menu, I'm going to click on Align Right. It's this one right here, Right Align. And I'm going to put my name. Okay. I'm going to press Enter to go to the next line. Next, from the same Align tab, I'm going to choose the Center Align, because I want my title to be centered. From the font size window, I'm going to write 16. You can do 16 or 18, anything big. Press Enter to make it stay. Then I'm going to click on bold to make my title bold. And I'm going to write my title here. There we go. When I'm finished with my title, I am going to press Enter to get to the next line. I'm going to go to the Align window again and go left align. So it goes over here where my writing should start. I'm also going to press bold to make it stop being bold. And I'm going to change my font size to 12. That's a good rising size. And when you're doing your drafts, when it's not your final draft, when you're just beginning to work on it, you want to make it double spaced so your teacher can write comments in there. So this is the line and paragraph spacing window. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to go down to double. Now I like to be a little bit further away from the title than just right under it. You can press Tab to begin your paragraphs, and then you can just start typing. And I just want to type enough to show you things. I love my children. They are sweet children, even if the younger one burns stinky incense in her room, and the older one is sometimes too loud. Now, let's say I wrote an entire paragraph. Let me do one more sentence so you see how it goes. They are my favorite children in the whole wide world. Okay. Now I want to go to a new paragraph. When I start a new paragraph, I press Enter to go to a new line, and I press Tab again. And I start my new paragraph. I also love my dogs. And you get the picture. And that's how you make a Google document.